Hello everyone, and in this video I am installing Microsoft 365. The Microsoft 365 program is a suite of office programs from Microsoft. It is free, but there is a caveat. You can use this program only if you have an internet connection. If it is not there, it doesn't work. Since this is a Microsoft app, you can download it from the Microsoft App Store. What we will do. I have the Microsoft Store shortcut on my taskbar, but if you don't have it, open the Start menu and scroll down the list of applications. When we see the letter M, there will be the Microsoft Store app, the Microsoft Application Store. Open Microsoft Store. It can slow down a bit. Search for Microsoft 365 Office in the search field. After that, we see the search results. The very first program is Microsoft 365 Office. It is what we are looking for. We can install it by clicking the Install button, or open the square, see screenshots and also the Install button. Install it. I have installed Microsoft 365 and I want to open it. I click on the Start menu and look for Microsoft 365 in the list. Open it. We are greeted by the welcome window. Then press Next, Next and Next. Microsoft 365 is now installed on our computer. Like, subscribe and bye.